Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you APEQR Premium Chess. This here is the magnetic version of it. This is a chess game made out of wood. That means here comes a high quality board in 38 to 38 centimeter in dimensions. Solid wood, 2 extra ladies. A gift idea for you all. This is a chessboard made out of wood with a high quality. It's a chessboard with 34 chess pieces for traveling. Really cool because of the magnetic stuff. It's a magnetic chessboard. Oh, experience a valuable time with your family and friends with this magnetic chess game. We enjoy the joy of play, of the game, and train your memories at the same time. Invite your loved ones and create an unforgettable moments that connect and makes us happy. This chessboard has come with a high quality. It promotes creativity, concentration, and patience. It trains logical thinking and decision making. This high-quality magnetic chess game provides a mental vitality and a playful relaxation. That's the it for our everyday life, of course. And an exclusive chessboard craftsman stuff here and a chess piece made of solid wood. Handmade with attention of the details. An optimal game size of 38 to 38 centimeter. The king is 7.6 centimeter tall, including 2 extra ladies. A chessboard with secure metal closure and also suitable as a compact travel chess with magnetic function. This chess game is the ideal gift for children, adults, and seniors. This noble chess set inspired for Christmas, birthday, and stylish souvenirs. It's also suitable for our modern decoration. Joy and successful surprises are guaranteed. Oh, really cool chess game. And the chess game comes by APEQI. They are a manufacturer of high-quality chess games and cordially invite us to play chess, and we are going to love it, of course. This is the game of chess with a nice chessboard, which comes with a magnetic stuff. Yeah. Chess originated in India, and it is now one of the most popular board games worldwide. The goal of the game is to put the opposite king in a checkmate through the skillful moves. A game for strategists and thinkers. They at APEQI wants to preserve and carry on the traditional chess culture because they are convenienced. Chess is not only fun, but also strengthens the concentration, the patience, and the creativity. With this premium chess magnetic board, they would like to inspire us and cordially invite us to the part of the chess community. Here comes the high-quality chess game made of wood, handmade from solid wood, top quality for that price range. The brand production are created in a careful handwork manufactured by experienced craftsmen with a real passion of detail. This dedication is reflected in the first-class quality and precision workmanship too. They also use selected high-quality wood from the sustainable forest and refine it, with the environmentally friendly lax for a durable, naturally beauty chess game. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!